Hi guys, I finally got my hands on the Lidl Silvercrest Ice maker. So this is an unboxing video. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what's in the box. I got it from the store. The box is a little bit dinged up. Instruction manual. Unfortunately, not in English. Got the receipt here. Long extension cord. Nice machine. Nice and shiny. It's heavy, so you can feel that there's a compressor inside. Button in the front to power on, add water and ice full LED. Yeah, you can feel there's definitely a compressor inside. Has a transparent lid. It's plastic, it's not glass. Okay, and inside has the scoop and the removable tray.
Not big.
It says that this is a 1 liter or 900 ml. So that's it guys for the unboxing. Please like and subscribe and follow me, and next video will be to actually make some ice. Thanks for watching.